have 7th graders to our 7th grade semester 1 award. We're glad you guys can join us on this fabulous day. We are here to celebrate all of your accomplishments for semester 1. There are a lot of awards we want to share out with you in celebration together here with us. And here with us today, actually, we have a 7th grade AVID class. Say hello, 7th grade AVID class, because you're waving to the world there. The world is watching you. And we have admin support team here as well too. And we have Wow Girl busted out of this hibernation right below me over here. There we go, Wow Girl, Wow Girl. That's how we do things around here, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We have a lot of names to cover here. And we're gonna get started with our student of the month for the month of December. Yeah, that's right. I didn't forget about you, December. December, you are like one of my favorite months of the year, and I am going to celebrate you right now, along with 7th graders that received Student of the Month for the month of September. Are you guys ready? Ready to go? That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Yeah, do that knot right there, Andy. Here we go. Students of the month. Remember, we have 5 categories: Outstanding Wildcat, we have Most Improved Wildcat, Wildcat Character, Elective Excellence, and Sportsmanship we are going to be giving away. Alright, let's go ahead and get started here with these names. We have a lot of names. Outstanding Wildcat, we have for history, Sofia Marron, Daisy Velez Marcelo for history. We have Matt Rooney, for math, Rooney Jacob, and then science, Elmer Silva. Congratulations. Outstanding Wildcats. Good job, good job. Alright, we got up next. We have Most Improved Wildcat for language arts, Daniel Ortega. History, Linda de la Cruz. And science, Roberto Delgadillo. Congratulations. Most Improved Wildcat. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. This is for December. Student of the Month, Most Improved. Wildcat Character, December, Students of the Month. We have Joel Hernandez, Serenity White, and we have Kimberly Reyes. Good job, guys. Wildcat Character recipients. Good work there, guys. Let's move on to our Elective Excellence. Rocking the electives, whether it's art, music, reading, wherever it may be, right? Rocking those electives. Sharon Orellana Hernandez. Marlon Herrera. Adolfo Saldana. And Leilani Gamboa. Good job, good job, good job. Congratulations to you guys for receiving an Elective Excellence for the month of December. And Sportsmanship, you cannot forget. Damian Carvajal, Samia Zuniga, and Sarah Cis Pineda. Congratulations. Good job, good job, good job. Guys, that was the December Student of the Month. But what I want to do is I want to recognize everyone's hard work for the month of December, for the semester 1, entire semester 1 recipients for Students of the Month, right? We had a lot of them, a lot of 6th graders, 7th graders, my apologies. But we want to recognize those names. So let's go ahead and do some recapping here for you guys. We're going to do Outstanding Wildcat for you. I'm going to minimize myself right down here. And let's get started here. We have Leilani Gamboa, Edwin Baltasar, Ariana Angelito, Liliana Sanchez, Karen Halim, Liana Perez, Jonathan Carmona, Ibrahim Soto, William Silva Valero, Jade Nayin, Sofia Maron, Daisy Velez Marcelo, Rooney Jacobo, and Elmer Silva. Congratulations, Outstanding Wildcats for all of semester 1. These are all our recipients, and we're going to hand this off now to Miss Messon is going to read off our Most Improved Wildcats. Go ahead, Miss Messon.
All right, Wildcats. For Most Improved Semester 1 in September, we have Denise Hernandez, London Lopez. For October, we have Nathan Garcia, Joshua Martinez, Leilani Rojas, and Khalil Cervantes. For November, we have Juan Rosas, Gerson Alvarado, Nayeli Escandon, Ethan Palacios. And for December, we have Daniel Ortega, Linda de la Cruz, and Roberto Delgadillo. Awesome job, Wildcats.
Good job, Wildcats. Congratulations there. And now we're going to have Mrs. A, our assistant principal, read off names for Wildcat Character, all of semester 1 Students of the Month. Take it away, Mrs. A.
All right, thank you, Mr. Puebla. For our Wildcat our next slide, I think, right?
This one right here, Wildcat character.
And here we go. Wildcat character semester 1. For September, we have Elmer Silva, Emily Silva. October, Benjamin Delas, Elizabeth Torio Rodriguez, Ivan Ojeda, and Saul Hernandez. Congratulations, guys. November, we have Joshua Martinez, Miriam Juarez Escandón, Leilani Gamboa, Ariel Bujanda, and Joel Hernandez. For December, as well as Serenity White and Kimberly Reyes. Congratulations.
Congratulations. And I do have student assistant. Jaden's going to actually help me out with this next slide here. He's going to rock his verbal skills and read off our names for elective excellence and sportsmanship excellence. Go, take it away, Jaden.
We have Elizabeth Ozera Rodriguez, Fatima Mila Magna, Kayla Ramiro, Jaden Marlon Herrera Ramirez, Joshua Martinez, Jade Millen, Adolfo Sadana, Sharon Aurelia Hernandez, Leilani Gambo. And for sportsmanship excellence semester 1, Nathalie Aguilar, Damian Cabral, Garudo, Edwin Baltasar Hernandez, Sonar Zinarga, Kevin Estrada Ruz, Ceres Pinata.
Whoa! Good job, congratulations! Jada, you rock those names, man. It takes a lot, man. You rock those names. Good job, guys. Good job. So we're gonna go ahead and move on here, guys. Congratulations again to all our semester 1 students of the month recipients. You guys did an amazing job. You know, working hard every single month, being recognized. We hope you continue that same hard work, dedication, perseverance all the way through semester 2. All right. Semester 1 was definitely tough for a lot of us, but a lot of you guys overcame those barriers and just kind of persevered. So we're gonna move on now to our semester 1 awards assembly, our honor roll, and I'm gonna hand this off to Mrs. Tuttle, the principal, to kind of explain a little bit about this and just introduce it.
Hi students, congratulations for all of our students who've earned awards already for semester 1. We're so proud of you and the achievements that you've accomplished this year so far. We know we were all tossed into this virtual online world and you guys are handling it so well. You're almost becoming mini little adults as you deal with this pandemic at this time. So we are so honored to give our honor roll awards, which is those students who for first semester earned a 3.5 to a 3.99, meaning these students almost got straight A's, which is incredibly hard to do in a normal school year and super impressive that you were able to do it in this online environment. So we're so proud of you and I can't wait to hear your names.
Right on. So definitely a huge accomplishment, guys. It takes a lot of effort and sweat right up here in order to get to this level right here. So these are mostly B's and A's. Might have had a C sprinkled in there, but for the most part, we rocked this semester 1. And guess what? If you didn't know, the Tooth Fairy is still in business, but Tooth Fairy, it doesn't work because he's an honor roll fairy. You can put your report card under your parents' or guardian's pillow, and money will appear. Natalie Aguilar, let's start off. Natalie Aguilar, congratulations. Alessio Moreno, Edwin Baltasar Hernandez, Emily Casas, Genesis Dominguez, Karen Halim, Saul Hernandez, Miriam Juarez Escandón, Natalie Moreno Cervantes, and Irene Ojeda from this case. Congratulations on your honor roll recipients. There's a lot of honor roll recipients here, guys. This is a good thing here. Brianna Perez, Kimberly Reyes, Adam Rosales, Juan Rosas, Liliana Sanchez, Omer Silva Centeno, Diego Torres Vizcarra, Ariana Angelito, Andrew Cortez, and Daniel Dominador. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Let me see over here. Come on. These names keep coming, don't they? Jacqueline Flores Zavala, Crystal Gonzalez, Rashid Oriana Hernandez, Gael Pompa, Stephen Thomas, Daisy Velez Marcelo, Kirsten Alvarado, Ariel Butanda, Eddie Canta Quiroz, Nathan Garcia. Congratulations. Good job, guys. Good job. Solid work. My goodness, these names coming. This is a good thing. Giselle Gonzalez, Amy Gutierrez, Lawrence Jimenez, Edwin Larios, Jane Leyva Garcia, Madeline Martinez Farias, Ariana Orozco, Mia Peterton, Miracle Rice, Jasmine Rios Santiago. Congratulations, guys. And we got Katie Segura, Daniela Solorio Lopez, Tanya Zuniga. Congratulations. Alright, honor roll recipients for our semester 1, rocking that 3.5 to 3.99 GPA. Solid job. So go and let us know about our next category.
So our next category is our principal's honor roll, and this is for our students who got those straight A's, who received a 4.0 on their semester 1 report card. This is such a challenging thing to do, like I said, especially with being thrust into this online learning environment. But you guys stuck to it, you did all your work, you attended your class, you did the best you could, and you proved it by getting those straight A's and that 4.0. We know that you are definitely college bound. You're ready, because college is a lot of being able to do this on your own. So we are so proud of you, your dedication and your determination, and I can't wait to see your names next.
Right, congratulations, guys. We're gonna knock out Principal's honor roll again. This is straight A's 4.0. Straight A's 4.0. Okay, keep this up in high school. You are rocking this. You'll get a lot of money for college, believe me. So let's go ahead and get started here. We're gonna get rolling with Principal's honor roll. And we have Alan Acosta, Alexander Alvarado, Luz Brito de la Cruz, Damian Carvajal, Jonathan Carmona, Violet Cervantes, Amelia Chavira, Nayeli Escandon, Leilani Gamboa, Rudy Jacobo Ornelas. Congratulations. Good job, guys. Good job. Principal's honor roll. Our next page of recipients, we have London Lopez, Joshua Martinez, Jade Medin, we have Jolie Nguyen, Celis Pineda, Taylor Romero, Leanna Ross, and Araceli Torres Vizcarra. Congratulations, guys. Good job here. Awesome, solid work. That was our round of applause, guys, to our Principal's honor roll recipients. You guys, your hard work does not go unnoticed. You guys rock this, and hopefully you guys continue to say that same, like I said, grit, integrity, perseverance all the way through semester 2 and finish this year off strong. Okay, we're gonna move on, guys, to our attendance incentive drawing. We have an attendance recognition piece here in this assembly we want to do for you guys. We want to recognize everyone's hard work for showing up every single day to class. You know, with AM and PM, right? And being there, present, ready to learn. So we wanted to take some time to recognize those students and do a little drawing and get some prizes in their hands. But hopefully the prizes you're gonna have to hold off just for a tad bit while we get things situated with the school and with our closure. So please be patient. But guess what? I have no clue what your prizes are gonna be. Your prizes are so unknown and so top secret. I have no clue what they are. All I know is that I told Ms. Tuttle, we gotta recognize some names here. So I don't care if you don't tell me what the prize is. We will figure it out later. But right now, let's recognize some names. So we're gonna pick some 8 names, 7th graders that rock the attendance semester 1, and then recognize you guys afterwards. We'll reach out to you for those prizes. So let's go ahead and knock off the incentive drawing and see who our winners are. We have 8 winners, and we're gonna go get through here. Let's go ahead and take a look at these 8 winners for you today. Check this out. All right, our first winner, we have Sonia Michelle, 2672. Good job. Good job, Sonia. Way to be in attendance every single day, ready to learn. Good job.
Who's next?
Who we got next? Ivan, 23281. Make sure you're watching for your ID number, or you can pause the video for them. Pause the video when you watch this video as many times as you want. What do we got next? We got Daniel Joseph. Good job, Daniel. Thanks for being on time, ready to learn every single day of semester 1. Good job. What do we got? We have Leilani, 25538. If that is you, congratulations. Who do we have next? We have William, 233-523. Good job, William. And we have next Morgan, 239-838. Good job, Morgan. Anyways, keep track how many names you're giving away so far. Oh, we had 6 or 7 or 8. So this thinks we're at 7 or 6. Alina, 240401. Good job, Alina. Congratulations. Thanks for being here on time every day. And now we have, we got 238-337. Solid name right there. Good job, everybody. Guys, that was it. That was 8 students rocked in attendance prizes for amazingness in attendance for semester 1. As we're going to make these drawings more frequent for semester 2, recognize some of your hard work on a more frequent basis. So be on the lookout for that. We'll be making some announcements and giving away some more stuff. But again, please be patient while we figure out a way to get stuff to you in a safe way. We want to be safe here, right? So we want to make sure everyone's still staying safe and that we're all good there. So guys, that was the attendance drawing. And real quickly, just to kind of recap. Students of the Month recipients, if you have not received your award already, which is probably earlier in the year, then please be patient with us again. You will be receiving a Student of the Month certificate along with a window decal that you can put on your parent or guardian's car. And then honor roll kiddos, we have a certificate that's going to be coming to you too, as well as a dog tag with either honor roll or principal's honor roll designation on there for you to have as recognition for your amazingness and awesome work that you showed for semester 1, okay? And that is it though. Thank you so much. I don't know if we have Ms. Tuttle, do you have any parting words for our 7th graders here?
We're just so proud of all of you, and we hope that this assembly for semester 2 is even longer because we have to read more and more pages of names. So everyone keep up the great work, and we're just so proud of you.
Awesomeness. All right, well, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you to Mr. Douglas' 7th grade AVID class for joining us. Quick hello, wave goodbye to the whole world. The world is watching. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate you. We love you. Take care. Stay safe. Goodbye.